It's raining, I love it when it's raining. It's raining, I love it when it's raining.
Welcome to Rosie's. What can I get for you today?
If you're trying to run AI video tools on a local computer with very limited GPU memory, like using an entry-level NVIDIA card such as the RTX 5060, you may run into problems with the full Comfyui standalone version. The issue is simple: video memory. When your GPU doesn't have enough VRAM, Comfyui can quickly run out of resources, causing crashes, freezes, and a lot of frustration, especially when you're creating AI videos or YouTube content. But there is a solution. Instead of the full standalone version, try using the Comfyui compact version, which includes low memory optimization options designed specifically for weaker systems. That's what I use, and once I switched, all of the free AI video generation tools started working smoothly again. No crashes. No wasted time. Just creating.
Yeah.